So this is a new tape, I assume? Yeah, you gonna do something cute or am I gonna stop?
Hi. Are you swinging?
And now I'm going to fan all the cars face up. All the cars are face up, is that correct? I want you to take your card and turn it over, put it back in the deck, face down, back in the deck. Now your card is face down, the rest are face up. The only card I can't tell is the one face
Hi,
down,
Smelly.
which is yours. And you are the only one that does it. He's looking at me like I'm new. I'm putting the cards in the pocket. A package of cards. In my pocket. The package is now visible.
Whoa. Whoa.
The five of diamonds is the only card upside down. All the cards in the entire deck is one card upside down. If you can get mine out, you can't do it. Okay. Now,
What are you doing? You reading a book? What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah. Ian in the book? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Hi, honey. Baby. You want the bottle? Are you hungry? Oh, you get hungry? Reese, don't squirt him. Come here, Sarek. Here's Sarek. Supposed to squirt, honey, not drink. What? It works. I showed you. Remember? Here, try again.
I want to allow my feel. Could you?
Huh?
Could you give me some more? I want to allow my feel.
We're going to have to get you a bucket so you can fill it up, huh?
Okay, I'll get one. I'll get some.
Wait, come here, Bits. Come here.
This is big. This is big.
Come here.
This one's big.
But the thing won't fit in it, honey.
What?
The
Water?
Yeah.
Water won't fit in it? I'll show you. Please, I have
Hi, Beth. What's the matter? What? Ernie. Oh, you're okay. Hi. Oh. Jeez.
Come on.
Camera, that's right. You want to tell me something? Huh? Sir?
What?
You want to tell me something? Oh,
No.
what do you say?
Carrot.
Excuse me, that's right. What?
Ice. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Baby. Baby. Cuckoo. Baby. Cuckoo.
I think Derek's cuckoo, don't you? Don't you think Derek's cuckoo? Huh? Huh? Derek, what are you doing?
Ah, a baby. Right.
You be careful, you don't hurt him, Reese. Go down the slide.
about standing in front of that if I was say run you over. Hey, come on. Wow. Watch out!
You shouldn't be going that fast.
I can go that way.
He did. Slow down!
Look at me. Hi. Oh, that's a scowl.
Holy cow!
Holy cow.
What's the matter?
Get away from me. What?
I think the women
The
are
whole country
tired.
was shocked by the images of the...
Yeah.
Hi. Hey, Bets. Whoopi. Are you okay? Are you okay? Come here. You can get up. What's the matter, Beth? Yes? What? 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 Open what? What? What do you want in here, Sarah? What are you getting? Your baby cookies, honey. Yeah.
Happy.
Cereal?
No. Actually. Oh.
What's the matter with you?
You. I want to play again.
Stop right there. Stand right there so I can see you. Tell me how your machine works. Wait, first tell me what kind of machine you're making.
A time machine.
Okay.
And first, you put big stuff on it to make it. And then you turn switches and stuff. And then you do red, R, and then you put a wheel in, say abracadabra, color away, Mac. And then it's ready.
Oh, I see. Well, is it going to work?
Yeah, I think. But now, the other side, let's try that. Yeah. Doesn't work in front of the other side. Okay, go. Say which way. I want to know where it should be. And now for you got it, I'm running there. Now, let's say that word, abracadabra, cook up in there, make this machine go in a thing. Wow. Huh? Oh. I forgot to put the stuff in. Right here. But secret doing. Here's the
Secret what? I see.
Abracadabra, go there, make this machine go away in the world. And wait, work. Now this time go.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
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 How are you?
Fun.
How old are you?
Two.
That's right. What's your name?
There.
Derek. Can you count your fingers?
Mom, make sure Seth doesn't come in there. Make sure Seth.
Fingers for me. See your hand. Can you count them? What's this one?
Two.
1,
1,
2.
2,
Then what?
3,
Yeah. 4,
4,
5.
5,
See, 6. There. 6, 7.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There. 15.
13.
Wow! It's not gonna work well.
14.
Right.
15.
One instruction left.
16.
16.
17.
5. 18.
Right.
18.
Right.
12.
19.
19.
20. Very good. Yay. Okay. Can you count again from 1?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
You all done?
The last instruction.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
You're a pretty big guy, huh? Sitting up there all by yourself.
I have a
What?
juice.
Your juice? What about your juice?
There, a slide.
What?
There, a slide.
What?
There, a slide.
Oh, down by the slide?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you dropped it?
Uh-huh.
What?
Uh-huh.
Did you drop your juice?
Uh-huh.
Look at me. Hi. You climbed up there all by yourself, huh? Sitting in that ledge. Yeah. He's pretty crabby, isn't he? What? Yeah, he's eating a play cookie. But he's all mad because he can't go up the slide.
No,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
What do you think?
Baby food.
Baby food?
Uh-huh. Mommy,
Yes?
baby, cry.
Yeah, he cried.
Uh-huh.
He's pretty noisy, huh?
No, baby. Baby. A big baby. Cry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does he cry a lot?
No.
No, just sometimes?
Baby, a big. This a big. A baby. A baby. A baby. A baby. A baby. Baby. A cry.
Yeah.
I baby. A baby. A baby. A baby, 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 baby. This a baby.
You're so crazy.
This a baby.
Yeah?
This, yeah.
Yeah. You want to tell me anything else?
Baby. This, a baby.
Oh.
I talk, the baby. I talk.
Baby talked.
No. No, mama.
What?
No, mama.
Like that?
No.
Oh. What's your name?
There,
Oh. How old are you?
2.
Can you look at me? No. Want to try counting your fingers now?
No.
How about your toes? Want to count your toes?
No.
Do you have toes?
No.
There they are.
There.
Yeah. How many? How many toes? Can you count them?
No.
Okay.
No.
It's your birthday tomorrow, you know?
No.
Yeah. How old are you going to be?
Yeah. Yeah. A dirty.
Ian and Jody?
Mhm.
They want them to come over
No, pizza.
for pizza?
No.
What do you want to have to eat?
Yeah. Yeah. A dirty.
Ian and Jody?
Uh-huh. A beer. A pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza. A dirty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
A pizza.
Okay. That's a good idea.
Dory. Yeah. Dory. Yeah. Go. This go. Dory. Yeah. A pizza. A pizza.
You like pizza?
Yeah.
You like pizza?
Pizza.
Is it good?
Dory. Pizza.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
We'll ask them, okay?
No. Dai, a pizza.
Daddy too?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
A pizza.
You gonna eat them now?
Mommy.
Yeah?
Wow.
No, you don't want to fall.
No.
You'll get hurt.
No. Mommy.
Yeah?
Pee-pee.
I know you did that all by yourself because you're a big guy, huh?
Ah.
Huh.
I
Yes?
Ah, wow.
No, don't fall.
No.
You want me to help you?
No.
Okay. What? Hi, sweetie. Let's see if I'm over here. Are you going to get down?
No.
You're not?
No.
Nope.
No.
Try. You can get that by yourself. I've seen you do it.
Mom?
Yes?
Ow. Wow.
No, you won't.
No. Mom?
Yeah?
Wow. Wow. It hurt.
It would hurt. Yep.
No.
Hey, Fitz. Where are you?
There.
Hey, Fitz.
Here.
Hey, Fitz.
Here.
You went the wrong way. Hey, Fitz. You did it. See, I knew you could. Yes, you did.
Three. Yeah. Three. Go. Three. Yeah. Home. Yeah. Three. Go. Three. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Two. Three. Yeah. Three. Mom?
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
No, you won't fall.
No. It hurt.
It would hurt.
No. It hurt. It hurt. Cheese.
Where'd you go? Say cheese. Derek, be nice. Derek!
Bye.
Don't hit him in the head.
Bye.
It hurts him.
I,
No. You kiss him. Be nice. That's a good boy.
Oh, Mom, put the camera down and go get your son.
No. He crawled off the blanket.
Oh.
He doesn't like crawling through the grass, does he? Uh-huh. Please turn that off and leave it off. You're not going to play with that, okay? You think he's cold?
It's a
Crawl.
crawl.
Oh, in the grass. Good. Moving pretty quick, isn't he?
That's silly, honey. Ah. stuck in the Jeep.
You're stuck in the Jeep?
That'd be cool.
The Jeep? Yeah.
That would not be
The
cool.
Jeep, 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 Jeep,
Big
Jeep.
guy.
Yeah?
I'm flying.
Where's Grammy? Why is he asking for Grammy? Look over there. Look. 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 Look.
Hi, sir.
Camera. Reese, I asked you not to do that. Turn it off.
Come on,
Derek, see those presents?
open them.
You see those presents? Are you ready to open them? You are? Do you want to do that now? It's your 2nd birthday.
It's not a one.
Wow. You ready? Okay, go for it. Da 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 da.
This one. I'll help him.
Reese, let him do it,
I
honey.
got her.
Reese?
Wow.
Reese, please, let him do it.
Here's one. Wow. See? Now do all here.
Be better than this.
Do all here. I'll do this side. You do the other side. You do that
Hi.
side. It's on this. I did it. I'll have one side. Let's do it for him. There you go. Wow. There you go. Open it, huh? Open it. I'll get this one. I'll get moved out of this purse. And we can get it out. And up here, it's easy. Yeah,
Sit down so you can be in the picture too. Thank you.
wow. See? Wow. It's a broken car.
Reese, 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 let him do it. It's his, okay?
One part. Come on, now have
Wow.
There.
Yeah. It does. I think so, huh? It looks pretty cool. No, I had the car. The car. The batteries.
Here's Mr. Bear, car.
Okay, it's the car.
Hey, everything is one poop. Hey, why are you go? Nothing. Where did everything go? Oh.
Mower, lawnmower, yeah.
You want to do this? Okay. Wait a second, let me fix this because we've got a little... See? Now push. Did you see what you did? Push a different one. Here it goes. Okay, stop. Stop for a second. And now push a different one. Push again. See?
Thanks, Reese.
Thank you. You're welcome, Mom.
Push down here. Push down here. Yeah. Ah, is that neat? So stop. Push it. Up. What do you think? Try again. Okay, push. Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay, stop. Okay, push again. No, it's his. He's gonna play with it for a while. Stop. Here we go. You ran right into that baby, didn't you? Okay. Push again. Wow. Wow, look at that. Push again. Up. Please don't touch it. That'll work. Hold it down. Push the button again. No. There, see? Wow, I ran into your toe. You ran into your toe. Ah. Wow, there it goes. Oh. The Jolly Green Giant out there, huh? Grace, don't keep turning it, okay? Don't even play with it. Push the button. Hey, the baby attacked it. Push. Go again. Go again. Ah, you're right in your foot. Hold it. No. It'll fix itself through most of these, I think. I think it should. I get it.
Now, in the middle. Right in the middle. In the middle. No, that's the
Wrong way. You're pointing the wrong way.
You did it.
Yeah, he did it, huh? Yeah, that is cute. You're cute. You're modest. There it goes, just like you wanted. Oh, it's stopped.
I stopped.
Oh, you stopped it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I work.
Okay,
It
go
works.
ahead. Push again.
I work.
Oh, push again.
Hold the
Go.
antenna up, honey.
I work.
No.
I
Don't start that. Don't give it back.
He's just trying to help.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. You have to blow the candles out now, okay?
Wait. I sing my
Blow the candles. But remember, they're hot, so be careful.
I sing my song.
All right, sing
Sarah, go like this.
No, why don't you sing my song?
Okay, sing your
Sing your
song.
song.
Blow out the other one.
Sarah.
Good job!
I didn't sing my song.
Okay, so you...
Look, guys. Wait, George. Hi.
Well, wait, Mom.
No, pull it off.
Rip it.
Pull.
Rip
Pull
it.
hard.
Just rip
pull
it.
it off.
Just rip it.
Just grab it and
Try,
pull.
try.
Pull hard.
Tell your wife. Show her, Reese.
Help her, Reese.
Here, Graham, sit down. You want to come here?
I'll help you, Mommy. I'll help you.
That's all right.
That's all right. Let her do it then.
Pull it.
Herself. Pull hard.
Hold the box for her, Ian.
There you go.
Now I'll open it for
Now
you.
go give that to Mommy.
I will.
Go give it to Mommy. No, what are you doing with the car?
No, out.
Give it to Mommy.
Open it.
Well, yeah.
Looking at me.
Another fool.
No, it's the same one.
It hasn't changed.
Swimming pool.
You like that, Jody?
Look at
It's one of
Andy
those
Ellen.
ones that you don't have to blow up and it's a foot tall.
You don't have to blow it up. And it's fixing that box?
Eat for the
Back
loudest
up.
toy.
Somebody's going to be here.
Back up.
I think I got you beat. Oh, the tambourine thing? No. This is nothing compared to
Take that
that.
to your daddy. He'll open it for you.
Derek, what is it?
What you got? And cymbals and...
Oh, it's one of those horrible drum sets. Say, oh, I don't want this. Please take it back and exchange it for something else.
Something
Ian?
to Velcro.
Sit down.
Oh, I don't have to zoom in on it now.
Open it up. Let him see it.
Wow, Sarah, you're good. What's that you say?
Oh,
Reese. That's enough. Yeah.
thank you. Now that that jam session is over.
Clean up the paper.
I
Somebody.
think that's really funny, don't you, Diane?
Guys, pick up the paper.
Oh, here we go. Go throw it in the garbage can, Jody. That way. Jody. No. In the garbage can. Go throw it in the garbage can.
There's some more assembly stuff, Snoop.
Where's the garbage can?
A bit.
I live for this.
Starbucks in that closet, honey, right here.
You know what? That makes a good win-lose-or-draw board.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It probably does.
Wow, look at that.
Is it a chalkboard on one side and a...
The screwdriver deal. Yeah, one side's for paper.
Oh, that's great.
Win, lose, or draw.
Not only that, but it's quiet.
That's what counts.
Here's your win, lose, or draw, you know.
I'm delaying this as long as possible. The sooner I finish, the noisier it gets. You missed the full orchestration before with both of the children going at it, didn't you?
No, I heard it, and it's on tape.
Oh, good. This way we'll be able to look at it and be able to remember how much we have to pay you back for. How deeply we're in your debt.
Ellen, you always climb underneath them?
He just stood up by himself.
Oh, you stood up?
Put on this one. No.
By himself, with the pot in his hand, just stood up by himself.
Oh, that he hasn't done.
Well, let's see if we can get him to do it again.
Here, you want some high heel shoes?
Oh, look at that.
Not a pot, that's a drum.
Look at this.
Look.
Look at, whoa!
Oh.
And we captured it for you for a moment.
Good.
Let's see what happens
Hang in there
here.
for just a second, okay?
Come on, hold on.
Wait.
You got wobbly legs. Pick them back up again. There you go.
Wow, there
Look
you
at
go.
this! Look at this! Ew!
Oh. Good job. All right, that's a bad sign.
Try him again.
Why did you get that pan that went down? Go show your dad. That's all right, just leave that.
Wow, get a picture of her. Very nice.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! Whoa! Man! Oh,
Wow, what a nice looking hat.
where did that come from?
In a box.
Oh, okay.
Was that her Halloween costume? No, that's just dress up clothes.
Jody. Jody.
Go.
Move.
Oh,
We were there for a good 20 seconds.
all right. You'll be walking and terrorizing Tim.
It's so funny.
Here, do that right now, honey. Better what?
Mighty fine job, Steve. Mighty fine job.
Thanks. It was difficult, but I managed to assemble it.
How about we don't let her have those?
Well, it's up to you. It just came in a set, so I...
How about we like save this for later?
Yeah, you don't want to explode all of them. Yeah, you can explode this thing
Yeah?
too. She can have those. She don't want them though. She's shucking them.
I'm playing with your toy.
Here, you want to take this too?
I need some help. Jody, did you see?
Need some what?
How adults put things together. Take one.
Or not. Just trying to embarrass us, aren't you? All right, we need some more pieces here.
What do you want? Give us
Screw things. One of these plastic
Don't take
pieces.
them on. I encourage this type of behavior. Wait.
Here, you are going to record this, aren't you?
Come here.
There's terms that can be used to describe that kind
leave
of
that
behavior.
alone.
Well, you're supposed to be like Tim on, you know,
None of
Home
those terms are
Improvement.
complimentary.
Aren't you like Tim on Home Improvement?
Yes,
Derek, leave that on there.
probably more so than I am like Al on Home Improvement.
Oh, he's fighting on Harry now. Yeah. Poor little guy. He's not very happy with it.
Stand up and walk, buddy. Or you're stepping on your spot.
Yeah, do a couple of laps here.
Can't move that foot. Yeah, it looks like Christmas in here all over again.
Yeah, only
Plum cake?
Yeah. I already got American stuff.
Yeah.
That milk is in it now. Some is water. Water.
Water?
Yeah. So.
No. What's wrong with you? Uh-huh.
You always
Cakes, all right.
Here, Jody. Jody, look, you got your own cakes.
Happy birthday to you. Dear Jody.
Happy birthday to you.
And
Wish.
many more. Here, blow.
Blow hard.
Yeah, there you
Blow
go.
hard.
One more.
Good for you.
Cake for all.
I'm gonna have one of cereal.
Let
Here,
them
give
eat
me the
cake.
baby and you take care of the cake.
I'm gonna have one of cereal. Good. Who's a pop?
Oh, it is. He's playing the bass. He likes that apparently.
I guess. I haven't heard anything from him.
That's the word.
Oh, well, when's a Friday? He says, well, Friday's the 19th. Well, we'll have it on Friday. No, you can't do that. That's my birthday. So Becky's going in on my birthday.
Oh, yeah?
She has to go in again. She has to have laser again. Come out, come out, come out. No?
They're both behaving so well.
Wait.
Seems so odd.
Oh, boy. That's messed up tight. He tried to slide it out like taking a car out of the garage. I can't get out of the garage. Oh, that's why. They had a padlock on the bottom. It was locked in, so you couldn't get out of the garage. Is yours locked in?
Well, don't worry about setting the paper.
You figured out how to get out of the garage, you did.
What?
I gave you the key. I told you how to get out of the garage.
And then she slides right up. You help him,
Helping
sir?
hand. Helping hand. Oh, green first. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right.
Color coordinated with Dad's shirt.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, terrific. Oh, neat. Oh, wow. I'm going to get, you may have one pair of pants that go with that.
I don't know how one.
That's true.
Well, if you don't, you'll get one. So,
Thank you.
whoopee.
Okay.
Don't you want to watch her open that one too?
That you threw that on the floor. We didn't fold it. What's this one? He thought you dropped that. He didn't pick it up for you.
Being helpful. That's his middle name.
Well, I like the pretty paper. It'd make a pretty blouse. Wouldn't I look good in pink? I think I
Here, we'll make a nice blouse for her.
would. Yeah.
No,
Wouldn't last
paper.
for long.
Paper.
I well.
The pattern itself.
I did it.
Hey.
I got another outfit. I got another one. Woo! Oh my goodness. I could have packed one less if I had known that. All right.
Why don't you write and tell us so we can see that one?
No.
Oh my goodness.